really sick, and it has the sickest animations I've ever seen. Starts my comic, but Krambit, it looks really good with the Barilis graphic, and also it looks pretty cool as its base too. So to find out which has more advantages or which is better, I'm gonna go into some free-for-alls. Alright, so let me see this on videos and I hope they work. If they don't, well, whatever you guys. I'll leave that. Oh, what am I doing, Alright, so I have decided. The Balisong, obviously, the animations look sick. And Krambit, well, I'm not saying it's not cool, but like, all you do is spin it around. And I mean, like, it's cool, but like, yeah. So, but Krambit has the advantages, and those advantages are like it's silent. Well, not silent, but not silent, but it makes the noise that any other gun does, like whenever you pull it out. Like, but it's like very quiet. And but the Balisong though, I mean, like, it's just sick, bro. And the wraps too, it just looks amazing. So, for advantages, I would use Krambit. But if we're voting on the looks and stuff, I'd say Balisong all day. So, that is, but before I make my opinion, I know I've said this a million times, but guys, please subscribe. That would be very, I would be very thankful for that, and once I hit 50 subscribers, I will go stream as soon as I hit 50 subscribers. Well, maybe not as soon as I hit it, but yeah, you know what I mean, I hope. But, so, I think the Balisong is better, because although the Krambit, it barely makes a noise, which gives you an advantage, but let's be real, nobody ever cares about the noise. So, well, not like that, but like, they don't really hear it anyway. I mean, like, they don't even pay attention to it. So, yeah, but you guys would always pay attention to it because, well, you guys are smart for watching my videos. Alright, that's it for today. I will see you guys next time. Peace.